Welcome to Queen's Foreign Language Class.
Hi, and I'm Queen. And besides speaking my native English country voice, I've been educated to also speak in Arabic, Chinese, and Spanish. So please enjoy this Queen Foreign Language tutorial.
Let's learn Chinese. So let's learn how to count from 1 to 10. Let's start. Eh, eh. I means 1. R, R. R means 2. Son, son. Son means 3. Si, si. Si means 4. Wu, wu. Wu means 5. Liu, liu. Liu means 6. Chi, chi. Chi means 7. Ba, ba. Ba means 8. Jio, jio. Jio means 9. Shi, shi. Shi means 10. Now let's use numbers in a short sentence. Arjinuha, Arjinuha. Arjinuha means 2 girls. Shi ji gao, shi ji gao. Shi ji gao means 4 dogs. Chikashu, chikashu. Chikashu means 7 trees.
Congratulations! You have officially completed a session of foreign language counting from 1 to 10 in Chinese. Give yourself a big pat on the back. Let's see right quick if you can remember how to count from 1 to 10. All right, let's go. I, A, Sun, Si, Wu, Leo, Chi, Ba, Jio, Shi. See? Even the queen sometimes got to remind herself what it is. But you have done it. So congratulations. I'm so proud of you. Please try to come back for some more videos of foreign language provided by the queen. Don't forget, we have some Arabic counting to do and some Spanish to do as well. Thank you again and stay tuned.
Make sure you YouTube Diamond Images 03. Diamond the Queen.